Dear students, welcome to our online teaching sessions. In our previous sessions, we have done some basic grammar and two lessons. Now, today we will be continuing with the lesson number 3, Be a Good Listener. So, be a good listener, you should know some rules. Okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to explain you something that you should remember for whole the life so you will become a good listener. So let's start with explanation. While I'm reading, just pay attention on the words and just be a good listener so you will become a good learner. Okay? Lesson number 3, be a good listener. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language. For example, if you started learning in the school, so first what happens with you? They will explain you, the teachers are explaining you the basic slanting line, sleeping line, curves, everything. Yes, letters, they are revising it. Say A for apple, apple, like this. So because of that only you will started learning a language. Yes, so or when you are dealing with other person, are you a good listener? When you are dealing with another person, someone is speaking to you and you are listening to him, so are you a good listener? You can find it out with the help of the following questions. So there are some questions in front of you. From that you will come to know that you are a good listener or not. So see here, number 1. In number 1, when you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? When someone is speaking to you, you are paying attention to that person or you are turning your head here and there or you are playing with something. For example, if you are in the class, teachers are explaining you the lesson, but at that time, just think, are you listening to the teacher or you are playing with your compass box, pencil, books? If you are playing, you are not a good listener. If you are paying attention to your speaker, you are a good listener. So, good listeners look at the speaker. What is the first condition to be a good listener? That you have to pay attention, you have to look at the speaker. Okay, now number 2. What is number 2? Do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? There should be some attention. Don't look at, and your eyes should be on the speaker and your mind should be somewhere else. So this is not the quality of a good listener. If you are looking at that person, you should have to pay the attention on the speaker, what he is saying. That then only you will be a good learner or listener. So, good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. What is the quality of a good speaker? Good listeners pay attention close to the speaker. Now, what is third one? Sorry. Do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? If you are not able to understand, if for example I am teaching you something and you are not able to understand, so are you taking some initiative? You are taking some special efforts that teacher, I'm not able to understand this, please explain me in the simple language, or what are you doing that? If you are doing, here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. There are some things that will help you to be a good listener. What are they? See, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. The first or the basic rule. Yes, what we are doing when we are learning a language, if we are unable to understand a word, we try to search the meaning of that word. Yes, so this is the first quality of a good listener, that you should search the meaning of the word which is unfamiliar to you. Okay, now let's see what are the other qualities of a good listener. You can try to guess what the speaker will say next, and if the teacher is explaining you something, you should have to make the chain. If the teacher is telling you something, so you should able to make the chain what the teacher will say about the specific topic in the next. Yes, so the good speakers try to guess what the speaker will say the next point. Okay, now the fourth point. What is the fourth point? Try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker. Okay, the first basic thing, if you are not able to, for example, if Marathi teacher will be there, so you should have to pay attention. If you are not able to understand, then also you should have to pay attention and try to feel that you do understand the speaker. If you make the habit to understand, you will definitely understand. Or even when you disagree with the speaker, wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying, then you can get your doubts clarified by asking polite questions. Be patient if the speaker is telling something. If you are disagree with that person, stop. Let him explain his point or her point, and if you are not agree with that, if you are disagree with that, just let him finish. Then you give your point that you are wrong, you are right. Clarify by asking some polite questions. This is the rule to be a good listener. Now, next point. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. Put your questions to the speaker politely. If you are not able to understand, don't be afraid. If you are afraid, you will not learn anything. So if you want to learn, you should have to frank, you should have to be polite with the speaker, and you should have to ask question without any hesitation, that miss, I am not able to understand this, can you explain me it again? So definitely if you will tell politely, definitely the speaker will going to explain you that thing again. Now the next point, sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. If you are going in a meeting, or if you are going in some session, okay, or even your teacher is explaining you something, a specific topic, so she must be telling you something very important that you don't know about that. So what you will do, just note down some important words or points, so it will be long lasting with you because you have noted all the points. Yes, now the next point, lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later on. If I will say something about a specific topic, if I'm using some phrases, keep an eye on the screen. So keep an eye. So this is a phrase. So if you don't understand the meaning, you should have to write it down in your notebook, and after the session you should go and search the meaning of that difficult word or phrase. So it will going, definitely it will going to help you in your future. Okay, so these are some qualities of a good listener. So for be a good speaker, you should be first a good listener. So try to be polite and Don't hesitate to ask any question. Don't afraid to ask question. If you don't understand, just write down the important points or phrases or words and grasp the meaning after your session. So it will definitely going to help you in your future. So just make a promise from today onwards you will be a good listener, and after be a good listener you will definitely become a good speaker, because you will get some important points and you will get knowledge from the other sources. So the knowledge of a specific topic will get increased. Here something is given, just see. Please bring me the vase that has pink roses. It's on the dining table. So, a man is telling to the girl. So, she didn't listen to the whole sentence. She just listened that he wants pink roses. Sorry. He wants pink roses from the vase, from the dining table. So you can see vase means a bed of roses, a kind of pot of rock. So if you will connect the points, if you will make the chain, if you will listen to the speaker, if you will understand the topic, you will come to know definitely that on a table there should be no bed of roses. Yes, bed of roses will not be there on the table. A frog will be not on the table. So maybe it is a kind of a pot which a girl listens and understands from the speaker, and she become a good listener. So you should have to be a good listener to become a good speaker. Okay, so I am sharing you some hard words. Try to read the lesson and write down the hard words and the words meaning what which I am sharing with you. Okay, thank you.